In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in S&P Charles Schwab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use a Charles Schwab account to get broad exposure to the S&P 500 in a simple, beginner-friendly way. First, a quick foundation. You can't invest directly in the S&P 500 index itself. Instead, you buy investments designed to mirror it. These come in two main forms: index mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Both aim to track the same market performance. They just trade a little differently. To get started, head over to the Charles Schwab website and open an account. Most people choose a standard brokerage account for general investing. If you're saving for retirement, you can consider an IRA, which offers potential tax advantages. The setup is straightforward, and you can begin with small amounts. Next, fund your account. Link your bank and transfer in whatever amount fits your budget, even if it's just a little to start. Getting money into your account is what enables you to place your first trade. Now choose your S&P 500 investment. If you prefer simplicity, a mutual fund is an easy entry point. Schwab's S&P 500 Index Fund, ticker symbol SWPPX, lets you buy by dollar amount, such as $50, and it executes at the end-of-day price. It's hands-off and great for steady, long-term investing. If you want more flexibility during the trading day, consider an ETF. Popular S&P 500 ETFs include SPY, VOO, and IVV. These trade like stocks, so prices move throughout the day. They're designed to track the index closely and are widely used by investors of all levels. When you're ready to buy, log into your Schwab account and go to the trade page. If you're purchasing an ETF, choose Stocks ETFs. If you're buying the mutual fund, choose Mutual Funds. Enter the symbol like SWPPX or VOO, select Buy, and specify either the dollar amount or number of shares. For ETFs, you can pick an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution at the current price, or a limit order to set your maximum price. Review your details carefully, then place the order. Schwab also supports buying fractional shares in many cases, which helps you start with small amounts. To wrap up, the process is simple. Open a Schwab account, deposit money, choose SWPPX for a mutual fund or VOO, SPY or IVV for an ETF, place your order, and hold for the long term. Staying consistent and patient is key to capturing the broad growth of the U.S. stock market over time.